Want to learn how you can create a nice and useful OneNote meeting like this that you can use for yourself or your team? How to create that inside the OneNote as a template. Add a blank page, right? You can want to put it any name you want. Let's say this is meeting, minute, template. It doesn't matter, right? So the most important part here is right click here and then insert a photo, pictures. So let me insert the one that already downloaded earlier. Okay. So this is my meeting minutes. So I can just drag it, yeah, and make it bigger. Okay, like as you want. Now, once you're into here, just right click on this photo, okay, and select set picture as background because you want to write things on top of this. So click here and set pictures here. Now, this means that once you set the picture as a background, you can no longer move this. But right now, let's make it a little bit bigger. If I want to put in the date or day here, all I need is just click here, day. I can type in here. Today, let's say this is Wednesday. I can type in right over here. I can put in the date. Today, what date is that, right? So 8th of August 2023.